With so many of us missing the traditions that unite us during this holiday season, I would like to share with you some encouraging words from Mary Davis, the former CEO for the Special Olympics. Mary said, quote, "We can't heal the world today, but we can begin with a voice of compassion, a heart of love, an act of kindness." End quote. Warriors, I send you my heartfelt and sincere wishes for a safe and peaceful holiday season as we look forward to a new year filled with healing, unity, and promise.
During this time, when so many people are hurting, we need to embrace the holiday season's call to love and value each other for who we are as people. It is through our humanity that we tear down the walls of division and hatred and begin to come together to heal our human spirit.
A Mayan philosophy reads, "In la quech, you are my other me. If I do harm to you, I do harm to myself. If I love and respect you, I love and respect myself." May we see ourselves in each other's eyes and unify to nurture what Zapatistas call a world where many worlds fit.
When asked to reflect on this past year, a quote came to my mind. It's from Susan L. Taylor, and it said that crises are nature's way of forcing change, breaking down old structures, and shaking loose negative habits so that something new and better can take their place. I look forward to 2021 with hope, optimism, and excitement for all of the change that is to come, and I hope you, my fellow warriors, can join me in doing the same.